Welcome back to Dawson Design Production Company. Today we are talking about the iPhone 14. This device is set to be released in the fall of 2022, this year. Usually iPhones come out in September, so I see no reason to assume any otherwise. But as a special treat for you guys, I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the most expensive model. Current leaks are saying that it will be $1,200 starting price. So let's wake this guy up. As you can see, there is a new notch. I'm still gonna call it a notch. It's really, a lot of people are calling it the iHole, which I like the design of the iHole because it's an iPhone. It's got an iHole. It makes sense. I was kind of curious to see what kind of software issues we might have with a different notch. It's a bit lower, since it's not connected to the top, and it might cut into some of your content more easily. So we're gonna go home, and we're gonna go to the home and take a look at this. So if we open music, so music looks fine. If you're in dark mode, you're not gonna notice it. Maybe, let's take a look at one of my YouTube videos. So we're gonna open YouTube, and, okay. So it really does, with 2:1 aspect ratio videos, it really does cut into the content. And seeing as the YouTube app hasn't really updated for like the corners cutting off content and the notch cutting into the content on the Mini. Personally, I use the YouTube website on my phone because I just don't like the app. But yeah, that really does cut into your content. Maybe if we punch in, I mean, it's just closer into the center, that iHole, so it's covering up more. I'm not too sure about what YouTube is gonna do for the iHole. That is essentially what the current OS looks like on this iPhone 14. If you haven't realized yet, this is an iPhone 13, and so where's the notch? Well, if I unlock the guided access and go home, you can see the notch is there. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, not a real iPhone 14, but it's true that if we take a look here and go to YouTube, this is likely how the YouTube app will look on this phone, on this 14 phone. And you might have noticed I covered up the edge where the notch is still there. So anyway, a little bit of a behind the scenes there. This is accurate to how the iPhone 14 would act in that app. I will put this keynote presentation in the description, and you can download it to your own iPhone and tweak it. You can delete the like if I just close this and delete play, now I have a notchless iPhone. I will put this down in the description, and you can put this notch over top of any picture you've got. Leave a comment down below what you would like me to put on this phone and post. I just wanted to show you what kind of things to look forward to in the next iPhone. So something else to be looking forward to is the new colors. There's a new very light purple color, which I love. I love the new light purple color. It's Steve Jobs' favorite color, so I think there always should be a purple iPhone. This year there wasn't. The purple looks great, and these renders come from John Prosser and Ian Zelbo from Renders by Ian. So there they are. These are the renders of the new phone. And that is about all I have for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Later.